Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to transfer your funds from a PayPal account to your Capitec bank here, well, there are a few things that you need to do. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up PayPal.com or the app itself and just access your account or logged in. Now, once you are logged in, you want to go ahead and head over to the wallet section. And you want to go ahead and just basically you want to link a card or a bank. Now, in this case, if you want to link your card, you can go and just choose link a card, or if a bank, you go and choose that one. Now, from here, once you click on either one of those, you want to go ahead and just provide the following details. So that includes bank name, bank code, and the account number. Now, if you're linking a US bank account, you can go and just choose US bank instead and just provide the necessary details. Is it a checking or a savings? You want to provide the routing number as well as the account number. Now, once you've added your bank account here or your card, depends on your preference, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and head over to your homepage here. And inside your homepage, you want to go ahead and look for the option that says transfer funds. Now, usually there's a limit, so a minimum amount here that you need to have into your account in order for the transfer funds to be available. But yeah, so once you click on transfer funds, this will redirect you to this page here, which should allow you to make the transfer. Now, you can go and just choose your payment method that you've added to your account. Go ahead and click on next. Now, the next page is going to ask you how much you want to transfer from your account. You can go and click on next. And from then on, it's going to ask you to review your transfer. Now, once you are good with this one, you can go and click on transfer now, and that would proceed with the transfer, and you just need to wait for a while. Now, usually delivery or the transfer takes around like 1 to 3 days, so you need to maybe wait for a few days before you can actually get your funds. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.